How to enable dark mode on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to reduce eye strain and save battery power by enabling dark mode on TikTok? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the hamburger menu at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Under Content and Display section, you will see Display option. Tap on it. Here are two ways to toggle on dark mode on TikTok. Select the dark option to turn on dark mode immediately, or toggle on the button for the feature Use Device Settings to let TikTok dark mode follow your device system settings. Let's see how both options work. Select the dark option. As you can see, the dark mode is now enabled. Now toggle on the button for the feature Use Device Settings. As you can see, it switches to light mode because my device dark mode is off. To turn on dark mode based on your system settings, swipe down on your screen, find the dark mode option and enable it. As you can see, dark mode is now enabled. You might have been confused at the moment thinking which option is the best way to enable dark mode on your device. I recommend selecting the dark option if your device does not have a built-in dark mode feature like mine. Also, it has a con part. Whenever you need to turn off dark mode, you will need to repeat the same steps as I shown in this video earlier and select the light option to toggle off dark mode. But if you have dark mode feature inbuilt on your device, then turn on the button for the feature Use Device Settings. This way, you can easily toggle dark mode on and off within few seconds on TikTok. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to enable dark mode on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.